Hey, good afternoon, how are you? So I've got the Miniart Soviet Infantry set on there. We'll move it around a bit and we'll have a good look. It's not a bad little set by Miniart. It's this one here. So that's the set there. It's under $20 Australian. I think it was $17 or something. It's not that much. They've got more expensive kits, but this is one of their cheaper ones. It's not an old one, but it's not a new either. So you've got that. You get all these weapons. There's heaps of spare weapons in there. And all the Soviet equipment, like, you know, water bottles and stuff, because you don't put any on because it's all hidden under their winter uniforms. So you get heaps of spare stuff. And I'll put all the spare stuff in my other Soviet Miniart boxes. So we'll turn it around a bit. And this is a T-34 by Dragon. Their faces aren't that detailed or anything. And I didn't really go nuts on it. Didn't do heaps crazy, and it doesn't really need it. Sort of, the winter uniforms speak volumes. That's where most of the focus is, I think. And I most likely got the these headgear things wrong. I think the only one I got right would have been this one. That doesn't really give you any indication on how to do it right. But I got something around their heads, so that's all that's important. The guns that they include are very nice. I really do like the rifle that was included. I didn't put any gun straps on. But this is like, yeah, the officer of this squad was like, no, you don't need straps. I want you to be using those guns all the time. And you see that rifle is nice, isn't it? And it's got, let's see if we can focus on it. It's got detail that's really good. But yeah, it's a little MG squad, so they've all got little machine guns. What was the Soviet one? The PPSH or something? But as usual, Miniart, all the proportions are good and right. They're nice. Highly recommended. Because there's the Tamiya ones here, so I'll show you the difference. Yeah, so these are Tamiya ones. Yeah, there's one there. We'll put him on. But yeah, you can see the difference. The hands all seem a bit out of proportion. It's very, very thick moulding. Tamiya only got good at figures like after 2015. Anything before that, yeah, you're probably just wasting your money. I wonder if that would work, me just putting that on as well. I reckon it might. Let's add to this. Why not? Well, there it is. The Soviet Assault Infantry by Miniart. It's really good. I've got a few other kits by Miniart. Over here, figure kits. A fair few of them. I've got heaps of Master Box ones. Yeah, heaps of Master Box ones. So I've got the Totenkopf. That's by Miniart. That looks pretty cool. And I don't know We had some Panzer Grenadiers. Oh, these ones are pretty cool. So, stuff falling out. I've got these ones. The Soviet combat engineers, which look really good. And this one where the stuff was falling out. There's the Ardennes one with the soldiers, the captured soldiers. So that looks pretty cool too. That's an older one, but this one looks really good. This one, I like it. Alright guys, I'll see you again soon.